Hi everyone, and welcome to a brand new start of a new series in Unreal Engine 4 tutorials. This series is all about crafting. So we're going to go through the process of setting up a basic inventory system and allowing us to craft multiple items based on the contents of that inventory. So if you followed along in my previous series in inventory, we're going to cover inventory in a different way here. That's because there's loads of ways to do inventory, and I want to experiment and show you multiple different ways of doing an inventory. This inventory system is very similar to things like you see in like Far Cry, for example, and other shooters like that, where you have a fixed set of collectibles you can collect, and all you do is increasing the number of those collectibles on your person. So to get started on this, we need to set up a few things. Now the first thing to set up on our character is, actually let's go back and create a new folder and call this my crafting folder. So we can go to add new, blueprint class, and choose actor, and this is going to be called item_parent. We're going to open this up and we're going to set up a load of details of that item in our variable list down below here. So let's start making these variables up. So I need the name. We need a description, and name and description will both be text types. We also need a category. Now the category we're going to get from an enum. So before we continue, let's just compile this and go back to our content browser. I'm going to go to add new, blueprints, and enumeration, and we're going to call this one item categories. And open this up. Now an enumerator essentially is a list of different types the variable could be. So we're going to go to new, and here I can put in the first item on the list. I'm going to go into medicinal. Then we're going to call this one parts, and we're going to call this what should we call this one? We'll call this one gathered. Sounds a bit poo. We go skins. We're going for a very Far Cry thing, so we go for medicinal. So these are the things like plants you pick up. Parts are like mechanical parts, and skins are going to be things you skin off of animal beasts around the map. And alongside that, we also need ammo, throwables, and we'll go equipment. Okay. Now these three are going to be the things that you're crafting. So the ammo, I can be able to craft ammo. You're going to be able to craft throwables, and you can be able to throw equipment. I'll tell you what I'll also do is I add another new one here and do plants, and I'm going to put this one up top here, and medicinal we're going to go down because I want medicinal to be the ones that you actually craft. So plants will make medicinal things primarily, parts will create ammo and throwables, and equipment is going to come from skins and parts. Okay, so these three types of crafting materials are going to feed into crafting these four types of things here. So I'm going to click save, and I'm not going to write a description, but you could go in and create a description here for yourself if you wished. So I'm going to close that, and back on my item parent, I'm going to go to my category, and I'm going to change that to item category enumerator. There you go. So name, description, category, and we're going to go new variable, and we're going to do a craftable, and this is going to be a boolean. What we'll do is craftable. It's a good idea to phrase your booleans as sort of questions, makes it a bit easier to read, and click compile, and try to think if there's anything else we may want. I think that might be it. Okay, that'll do. We can always add stuff to this later if we need to, but for now, I think that'll do. I'm going to close this, and that's our item parent set up. Now, I need to also make a child for this so I can test things out. So I'm going to right click on here, create child blueprint case. I'm going to go item, underscore, and we'll call this one green leaf. And we can open this up. And in the default settings for your class defaults, you can type in your name, description, category, and whether or not it's craftable. So name is going to be green leaf. Description: these green herbs are full of healthy proteins. Some they are used by the locals for medicinal purposes. No, that reads better. The category for this, it can be a plant, so plants, and it's not a craftable item. It's a ingredient essentially. So I'm gonna click compile for that. And in here we could set up other things as well, such as the item itself. Actually, let's go do that. Let's go and back into my item parent. I need to set up a variable for the thumbnail. And that's going to be a texture 2D. And I might as well add a mesh to this as a component. Mesh. And leave that blank. Okay, I think we're good there. We can close that. And all that stuff I just did there, because that's a parent, it all appears on here as well. So I can open full blueprint editor. I can see the mesh is now there. And I can see the thumbnail is now an option in my class defaults. Excellent. Okay. As we are here, we could add the starter content push to this. So it's a green leaf after all. There you go. Hit compile. So there's our first item. And that'll do it for this episode. Next episode, we're going to work on creating the item inventory component on the player, which will then eventually feed into our UI for allow crafting. If you want to watch the episode right now, you can head over to patreon.com/RyanLaley, where you can watch the episode plus many more for just $1 before anyone else. Big shout out and thank you to all of my patrons for their continued support. This wouldn't be happening without you guys, so massive thank you to all of you. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.